Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is Butterchain here with another session of pack opening. Today we'll do I think I'll go with the program bundle, large one. Let's get it started. Open my pack. Luck is back again. Come on, EA. Get us some elites. Sulu. Alex Stills. Harry Kane center forward. We're not getting very good pulls so far. This one's gonna be a reveal all. Ooh, Felipe Luis. That's what I'm talking about. Alex Allegria. Cavani. That's a pretty good elite. Ooh. Gabbiadini. Soon to be a Liverpool player, I bet. We always seem to raid all the players from over there. Ooh, we got this week's impact player. Or is it an upgraded version? 12, 27, 27. Oh, that's the upgraded version. Old one. Ah, never mind. I hate this damn Facebook pop-up. Come on. Yeah. Get us something real nice. Ooh, Van Damme, the upgraded version. This one's gonna be a reveal all. And we got Augustine. Ipukaye. Almost time for a topper. Payet. Dimitri. The Trader. This is our final pack. We need an elite. Ooh, Falco. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. We need something epic. We need something insane. Modric and Zabi Prieto. That's a pretty good one. Luka Modric and Zabi Prieto. And we're going to do another one. 10 times bundle again. Let's go. Come on, EA. Let's start this off with a bang. Jose Callejon, Marco Reus, Jovetic, Jovic, however you pronounce his name. The Mobile Master Man, Reus. Come on, EA. Give us something nice. Give us something nice, something nice. Mandzukic, Bernardo Silva, 81 rated. Come on, we need a super elite out of these packs. Cruz. Oh, the scouting Cruz. That's pretty good. Come on, EA. This one's gonna be a reveal all pack. Come on, EA. Make this one a banger. Ronaldo, 90 weighted left wing. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And Royce. Ooh, I need to take a screenshot of that. Nice. I always get this. This is like my fourth or third time. You can watch my other videos. This is like my fourth or third time getting them. 90 rated left wing Ronaldo pull. I can never get the Toddy version, but I always get that one. He goes for about 600-700K in the market. Pretty decent coin. And then our final pack, and then it's our topper. I'm gonna do a reveal all. Okay, not bad. 2 elites. Come on, EA. We need an ultimate flashback. and an insane pull, elite pull in this one. Oh, we got a oh shit, we got an ultimate flashback and a Mars. Oh shit. I gotta open a few more. Can do. Let me see. I can do a few more. Come on, EA. Work with me. These are all gonna be reveal all because I don't want to make this video too long. Reveal all. Alright, this one isn't going so great. This is our final one. Come on, EA. Kadira. That's not bad. That's not bad. We only have 400 coins left. Unfortunately, we can't open any more packs. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, 50k. Let's get some gold players. Gold and bronze and silver. Alrighty. That's the conclusion to this edition of my pack opening. And guys, if you're looking for a good league to join, you can always come by us at the end of today. We will remove some players because whoever scores a little in our tournaments, we'll remove them. We'll remove a lot of those low scorers today. So if you can score 15 or more per tournament, you will be able to join our league. I'll show off my team one time before I go. This is my team. As you can see, I've sold most of my Serie A Master cards. And now I've changed to this. I kind of like this better. And I have that Messi as well. No, I need that Ramos in my defense. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll be back again shortly with a few more pack openings. Whenever we got some insane bundles come out, I'll be sure to open them so you can see what you can get inside. Jeffrey Harris. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.